Hi there, the cooking on my far away here. I'm in the kitchen and it's 30 degrees inside and it's about 31 and a half outside, and I'm in the kitchen cooking. Oh, but never mind, we've got to eat. Now this has nothing to do with the menu for tonight, but I have peeled very thinly 3 oranges and have added 2 cardamom and a piece of cinnamon and a cup of sugar to this, and I'm just making an addition to what I like to put in my carrot cake and put on icing and stuff, or even over the ice cream itself. This will thicken up shortly, and it's a bit hot and I'm trying to get it done as soon as. So I also thought so that I could prepare my meal a bit in advance and then have a rest before we eat. So I'm just cutting up the cabbage and just cutting up the paksoy cabbage. It's lovely. It's got the harsher end bit here, and I'll be cooking that first. I'm not going to grab the wok because I'm going to use the fry pan, and then the green will go in a bit later, but I'm doing a chicken curry. Oh no, not chicken curry, fish curry. I prefer to use pastes I make myself, so recently I made quite a batch of my curry paste and I froze it in little containers. And very occasionally we get the odd takeaway, and maybe we get some sushi, or we might get some Asian meals, and then they have these fabulous little containers with sauces and things, and I wash those and use them for freezing in my own bits and pieces. So next time I make the curry paste again, I'll remember to video it, and so you can see which recipe I use offhand. It's just, but I mix and mash and do, and it's just lovely when you have your own flavours. Right, a tad of oil, not too much. I've actually mixed this oil myself, and it's got some herbs and chilies in it. It's just a nice flavour. Just keeping an eye on this. Look, it's just about done. I'll turn it off actually and let it cool. Yummy. I'll put it in a jar, and as I say, use it on toppings and things, but even in my cakes. So it's so yummy. No, it's so yummy, 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 yummy. Right, in goes the onion. Then wasn't quite hot enough, I think. Oh, never mind, it won't take a minute. And I haven't got any fresh garlic anymore, which is a pity. I didn't realise that. My husband just got some shopping, so we'll need to get some. Right, and then we'll also get the, that's better. I can hear it sizzling. Get the harder bits of the cabbage. Right, I'll just add a bit of garlic paste. I do like that also at this stage. Right, and now it's time for the curry paste as well. Put that in now so we can just gel and mix. Oh, smell. Right, now we'll put the rest. I shouldn't call it cabbage, but it's paksoy cabbage. And it just lends itself to the Asian meals, I feel, and so much of it. And use the leaves to wrap fillings in and cook. Oh, it's just yummy. Steam cook them or fry them. Just really yummy. Oh, the smell. There we go. And I don't want to fry or hard cook the fish. I just want it to gently cook through, and only partially, because once I add the coconut milk and stir everything. It'll cook a bit more, and then by the time I reheat it to serve, it'll cook some more. And if I cook it too long, it'll just be rubbery, horrible, dry bits of fish. So, and now actually cooking in the moisture alongside I was going to leave the moisture in anyway, so they're not doing any different than what my intention was. It just, I don't have another dirty bowl or bin or pot or whatever, because I've already tidied up my bench, so I don't have a lot of cleaning up afterwards. So just before dinner I'll cook the rice and reheat this, and bob's your uncle. Right, now I'm just mixing the fish with the greens and adding the coconut milk. And one of my favourite flavours in cooking. Yum. Oh, I wish you could smell this. Just delicious. Now it's a very simple meal, and a lot of you might just have lots of ideas about this yourself to do it different. That's fine. This is just a quick meal on a hot day, and it'll be lovely. And to save space for the recycle, I actually take the bottom out of the can as well and flatten it, and then it doesn't take up so much room. Right? And then it goes into my double bin, and this is the side for the recycle. There we go. Right. Yes, I am still hot and bothered. The water's just running down. Jar is done. It's only half a jar this time, and I'll do more next time. I can stand being in the kitchen that long. But in the meantime, this is going to cool off, and I'll be able to use it when I make my carrot cake next or whatever. Right, time for the rice. Bring it to the boil. Just bring it to the boil. Turn it right down. Lid on. Looking good. And this is looking good. All heated up. And the tomatoes from my tomato plant, all ready to go. Right, there it goes. Just like making my little towers. And for the finishing touch, well, I hope you enjoyed that meal as much as I did, or we did, and oh, well, it's easy peasy, no fussing around. Just get a nice curry paste that you like, and a nice fish sauce that you like, and just make it easy. Make it crunchy, make it tasty, and I'm going to cool down. I'll see you next video. Bye for now. Oma Faraway signing off.